What's up, my friends and fans? Welcome back again to Pokemon Break Bronze Episode 2. This is my first fight, so let's do this. Fighting, John, I think. Growl, Scratch, Ember. Ember, letting you use Ember. Some that use Tackle. Oh. I think we're doing even damage to each other. Me Scratch. Scratch him. Letting you Scratch. See? Did barely anything. And Eevee's still kicking the crap out of me, so I think we might not make it yet. I wonder what Growl does. Growl. Letting you use Growl. Obviously Eevee's attack fell. Ooh. Oh my god. Fire. Burner. And use Ember. Yay, we did it! Obviously, you're making my defense fall a lot. Are you just gonna finish me off? I think not. Burn her! Oh, sweet, 69 XP. Yay, she leveled up. Amazing. Hey, thanks for paying me 200, Zinni. Nice fighting. Yeah, thanks. Here, let me heal your Pokemon. Thanks, dude. Thanks. Steve, that was an excellent battle, even though I got my cheeks kicked. Your father and I were watching while you were discussing things with the professor. We are proud of you in taking this step to become a Pokemon trainer. Like, they're literally robots. We want you to know that we will be supporting you as you explore Roria. You need to be very careful, as you are going to be out on your own for the first time. I've been out. Oh, forget the floss. I floss almost every day. Steve, we want you to give you something, so take this as a gift to celebrate this moment of occasion. What is that? Dude, they Break Bronze attained? I thought they handed me a brick of feces, dude. I thought they handed me a brick of poop. On a string. Steve put the brick thing in his bag. I made that list just this morning. When you look at it, remember your family who loves you. Don't forget to keep it safe. I'll just sell it immediately. Get thousands of dollars, just do it. We're headed back to the house. If you need anything, that's where you can find us. Bye. Wow, that was really cool of your parents. Oh, by the way, I have something for you. Oh my god. They're for catching wild Pokemon. Oh, thank you for giving me Pokeballs, not Pokeballs. Steve, put the Pokemon balls in your bag. It's not Poke, it's Pokemon, I think. It works best if you weaken the Pokemon before throwing the ball at it. Well, I need to gather a few things before I set off on my adventure. You should start training Pokemon on Route 1. Past Route 1 is Chesma or Cheesma Town. I have no idea. That'll be a good place for us to meet up. Alright, I'll see you later. Hey, wait, don't leave me. Alright, anyway, let's get out of here because I'm tired of sitting here. I don't know what Route 1 is. You guys gotta tell me what Route 1 is. You just literally left me there. Like, alright, good luck. And you just speed it out like as fast as you could. Hey, let me see if I can raid people's houses. I know it sounds bad, but I want to see if I can get some. Oh, it's my house. If I can get some extra money. By the way, I'm trying to raid the fridge. What the? This is just disappointing. Alright, let's get out of here. Wonder if I could. I was just wondering if I could get any money from that. Oh god, look at this dude. Hey, scum! Here, let me heal your Pokemon for you. You didn't have to do that. My Pokemon was fine. Alright, so I'm gonna talk to. Oh, come on. Now you can see these people are evil right here. I want to talk to him now. Can I talk to him? Talk? Oh, yeah. Mind your own business. We're just hanging out. What are you looking at, kid? Hey, I'm not a kid. I'm a teenager. Hey, dude. You wanna talk? Fox are the most interesting Pokemon. What? How dare you? You would like the battle? Oh my god, dude. A Rumple? That thing's gonna destroy me. Prepare to die. I mean, get knocked out. Fire or get weak against fire weak against grass, I think, yeah. Then gain 25 speed. Bug catcher something. No, I'm just gonna beat him up. Another Rumple. Dude, go pull Stillskin out of here, dude. There's no point of using these Pokemon. They're just gonna die in one hit. Goodbye. Woo! Level 7. Okay, maybe my bugs are best Pokemon for battling. Yay, we got 72 speed. 72 coins or something like that. Oh, this did. Menu. Bag. Let in. Key turn items. Bronze brick. Oh my god, dude. I can't sell it or use it in battle? What's the point of even taking that? Oh, come on, man. Oh god, not a Pidgey. Oh wait, it's a wild Pidgey. Whew. I want to catch you. Wait. I wonder. I don't want to catch this Pidgey. I want to, but I don't want to. Destroy it! Yay! Uh-oh. Ow! Smack me. Burn! Burn! Yay, we did it! Now I'll show wild Pidgeys attacking me. Hey, you wanna battle? I know I just destroyed that Pidgey right in front of you. I met my Pokemon this route. Did I just destroy it? Oh, whew. That's your Pokemon? Prepare for your doom, Ziggaroo. Or something like that. Burn him! I think he is a grass type. Nope. I think he might be, I don't know. I never know anything. Can I capture his Pokemon? That'd be great. And then use Ember. Burn. Oh, well, he's gone. Lick? Wait, what? Yeah, you should catch more Pokemon. That's why you failed. No, you should catch more Pokemon. Yes, you should. Yeah, I do need to catch more Pokemon, by the way. Sorry, I'm just messing with my desk. Yay, 90 robbing people from their money. You know, oh, it's a Pokemon ball. Oh god, please don't tell me. I just love Pokemon. They're so cute. Please don't battle me. Oh, why? I'm just trying to get a freaking Pokemon ball. Oh god, not Bumblebee. He's a ground type, I think. Bumblebee, lick him. What? Oh god, we're so screwed. Attack fell. I got stop taking down my defense. I thought Lick was gonna do some damage, but no. It just didn't do anything. Smack him. Smack her. Yay! Are you just increasing your speed and you're just attacking me with the fence? You know what? Just perish. Perish! What? Destroy her! Perfect. If you guys are wondering why I'm calling it a her, well, because the gender signs, like this is boy. goals. Attack, defense is kind of garbage. Right, then you see the pink sign? We have a female Pidgey. Burner! Dragon's Breath. Woo, we won. Yay! We did it. I need to train my Pokemon more. Yeah, I just destroyed them. Thanks for the money. Get out of here. I don't need to talk to you. I see this Pokeball over here. A potion? But the potion is bad. Alright, that's great. Oh, come on. Oh, it's a Bunnelby. Whew. I thought it was something else. Go, Litten. Meow. No, I'm tired of you. Take him out. I mean, don't kill him. Good God. Wait, no, you don't kill him. You just knock him out. Pokemon balls. Use it. Use it, use it, use it, use it. Woo, we got a Bunnelby. Yay. Now I just want Bunnelby. Yay, Lynn getting a few experience. Don't you even dare about thinking of attacking me. Steve! Oh God. I got here as fast as I could. Oh, something terrible has happened. You come back to the town with me. I don't have time to explain. Let's go. Oh, come on, dude. I was just about to get out of Route 1. Steve, oh God. This is my parents. I'm so glad to see you're safe. I'm sorry to be the one to tell you this, Steve, but your parents have been abducted from their home in a short time. You have been gone. Oh, God. Not much is known yet, but it is suspected they were taken by team. No, I know them. I saw them at the bridge. Or new perspective of people on Pokemon. They believe that people and Pokemon are not harmony with one and oh my God. And they have interesting ideas for now. How to solve this problem. They are also dangerous and they're not to be trifled with. They seem to do whatever it takes to accomplish their goals. Well, screw them. I do not know what they want with your parents, but I suspect it has something to do with their skills. No, it has something to do with our mind. Your parents are familiar with Pokemon and Legendary. Oh my God. Whenever Team Eclipse is after, I'm sure they are getting very close to achieving it. Now to me, Steve. Did your parents say anything about the work when you saw them this morning? No. Oh, so your parents gave you that necklace earlier. That's interesting. Anyways, it's not safe for you to be out here. Steve, I think it's time best if you leave town. At least, oh God, I really don't. She missed a good fight. I know what to do. My parents are gone. Yeah, Team Eclipse is those scum in the freaking. Yeah, it was them. Because they're gone. They're gone. Here. Yeah, thank you for healing my Pokemon. Because I need that. I am not talking to you again. What's back here? What?